Hey YouTube, how you doing tonight? It is about a week and a half into diagnosing my motorcycle problems. Had a variety of different ones. I have a 1978 Yamaha 750 Special XS, and I love it. It's a classic rebuild that I'm doing, and it's all Marvel character comics on the side, and think as Spider-Man, blah blah blah. I'll show you later. My last problem is that it happened while fixing the other issue of leaky air filter. Yeah, that's a whole story. Well, all of a sudden, my bike had problems starting. It came to a point that finally it just clunk, clunk, like clicked when it started. And so, me being the electrician that I am, which is good, I have to look at everything. I have to know why. So I look at where it starts at, what goes next, and what goes next, and what is supposed to happen. Well, this is what I did. I got all the way to the starter, something that I was intimidated by, because I don't know nothing about motorcycles. I just ride them, and I ride them well, kind of like my women. Anyway, I got the balls to take it apart. It wasn't that, and I was worried about having to get new gears. Didn't have to. It comes out with a lot of busting and scraping your knuckles because everything's so hard to get to on the triple. But I did do it. Only thing I had to do was remove the air filter front portion of the box to finally get the 4 screws out that they're holding everything in play. Then I get to the point that there's the 2 long bolts that connected together. I didn't know nothing about that because I couldn't get it lifted out of the area. Well, I finally was able to say, let me try those, and guess what? I'm winging this, and it worked. So finally, here's the picture of the starter when I pull it apart, and I know that it has issues. Okay, I don't know how. Well, I don't know how to do that, so we're going to do it this way. Anyway, here's what I found. Here's my starter. First, I opened up this box here, the front cover of it, or actually the tail end cover of it. And as you can see, oh my God, can you see that? It is caked. Like, watch this. That's just the first initial. Oh, these screws don't go to this at all, something else. This is the first initial thump of it. And look at that nastiness coming out of there. And so apparently all that leaky oil and stuff and gas that I had coming out of my air filter breather box, apparently that aided the total destroying of this thing. So if I grab something to see what it looks like, I like to see how thick that is. It's about an 1/8 of an inch thick coating around everything. Look at that. Okay. And then I look at the armature. Since I'm an electrician, I know what parts are to a motor, what parts are to everything. I look at the armature, the brushes. My brushes, I got to check the specs, but I think they're okay. They're about a minimum of a 1/2 inch length. They look evenly worn. And taking this all apart, you see that coating that's on there? It's on everything. Horrible, isn't it? Horrible. So, this is their issues. Guarantee it. I did an initial reading of the resistance from this lug here, the positive lug of the starter motor, and the housing, and it gave me about a 3.360. I guess I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I don't think it was good because it wasn't starting. Now, this was after I took it apart. So I don't know before I know that I got 12 volts all the way up to this lug and nothing else. So I'm checking grounds of everything, checking all this and that and that. Because I didn't want to have to go this far, but I didn't know how easy it was after I started. Anyway, I know I was getting 12 volts to that, and it wasn't doing nothing. I took and put my power right on it. Didn't do nothing. So this is the problem. I'm going to attempt to clean it, and I'll let you know how it works. I'm going to use some brake clean and some electro clean, and clean that up shiny and see what happens. They say you can fix these things. We'll find out. Okay, YouTube, I'm back again. I just wanted to show a little step-by-step and show how it's going. I just initially cleaned out the back end of it, just starting it, and look at that from one wipe. And I had a pile of this gunk. It looked like a big old pile of Scarface type stuff, Anyway, that's what I'm starting. I'm using this good old electric parts cleaner. It's good for this stuff. It doesn't leave a residue and all that other good stuff. I'm not giving them shout out, but the shit works. Okay, so I'm gonna continue cleaning this, and I'll show you step by step as I go and show you what I find. But as you see, that's just the beginning, first wipe. That's not good, but we're gonna bring it back to life, I think. Okay, YouTube, I'm only a couple minutes into